Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Sizzlers. I'm Reju and this is my daughter
Nia.
We are back with another video in our ongoing series which is Mum and Daughter Cooking, and today we are going to cook
Butternut squash curry.
Yeah, so we are going to cook butternut squash curry because butternut squash is in season now. You can make it using butternut squash or pumpkin. So let's get to the video. Ingredients. I have here 2 butternut squashes. These are from our garden, so that's why I'm using them. You can use pumpkin instead. Have 5 green chilies, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, 1 lime, 1 onion, and I have here some chickpeas soaked in water. This is about 1.5 cups. You can use any beans that you like or that you have, like black-eyed beans, chickpeas, or even kidney beans. 1 can of coconut milk, some cumin seeds, mustard, and salt. To the first step, we have to peel the butternut squash, take the skin off. So I'll take the skin out using a peeler. So yeah, you have to peel it. It's quite simple. I have peeled the first one, so it looks like this. And Nia will peel the second one.
Okay, now it's my turn. What a great start. Okay. I don't know how you did it so quickly.
I think I got an easy one.
Yeah, this one's definitely difficult.
Yeah, they are quite slippery as well.
Mm-hmm. That's mine all done now.
Yeah. We have to now cut the butternut squash.
Okay.
Do you know how to cut them?
No? How?
It's quite hard, so be very careful.
Okay, tell me how to do it then.
Okay, let me show you. It can be very hard. Yeah,
Dropped it.
It's really hard. So, and it has small seeds inside. You can scoop them out.
Oh, they're like pumpkin seeds almost.
Yeah, they're very, very similar to pumpkins, even in terms of taste.
Can you grow these seeds if you dry them?
Yes, indeed. But not these probably. These are like baby butternut squashes.
Oh, okay. That's it all done now?
Yeah, we have to wash them now.
Okay.
Okay, now peel the ginger.
Oh, wrong way.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's basically done, yeah.
Okay. Now on to the garlic.
Mm-hmm. What do you want me to do?
Peel them.
Okay.
Okay, what you have to do now is take the garlic,
Yeah.
cut it into 2. Yeah,
Half like this,
yeah,
this way?
half. These are all going into the cooker to boil, cook, so 2 pieces are fine.
Okay. Okay, done.
Cut the green chilies into half.
This way or this way?
Yeah, that
Lengthwise. Okay.
Careful.
Okay, done.
Next, the ginger. Cut it into 2. First.
Lengthways again?
Yeah, lengthwise again.
Yeah,
and
done.
each of those cut it into thin slices.
Okay, very thin, very fine,
Yeah,
or
very fine is good. Careful with your fingers.
yeah.
Your food technology in school is helping.
Huh? Yeah.
You
They used to
have a-
call this the claw grip. This is not any grip, but if you do it like that, the claw, so that's what they called it. Okay, this is done.
Now to the onion. You need to peel the onion and cut them into slices.
Okay. It's a big onion. Wow, it's a really nice onion, isn't it?
Yeah. That's nice. You're cutting the onions like a pro.
Am I? It's okay. Okay, next one.
It's like a professional onion
Trying
cutter.
my very best. I'm also trying to do it quickly because my eyes are burning.
So to the next step, have washed this butternut squash pieces. Put it into the pan. I'm using a pressure cooker so that it cooks fast, but you can use any pan and boil it for about 15 minutes. Butternut squash really cooks very fast, so it doesn't take much time. I'm going to put these peas. They are washed. So this one, and then goes in the ginger, the garlic and the green chilies, and pour some water.
How much?
I had about 300 ml. I poured about 100 ml, another 50 ml. Yeah, so 150 ml of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then give it a little shake and then close the lid of the pressure cooker. So the butternut squash and the peas and everything is in the pressure cooker. We need to cook it for about 4 whistles in the pressure cooker, but if it's just in a pan, for about 15 minutes till the butternut squash and the peas are really soft. The butternut squash is cooking in the pressure cooker. We need to cook it for about 4 whistles. If it's in a normal pan, you need to cook it for about 15 minutes till the butternut squash and the peas are really soft. So yeah, it's going to take about 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Okay, so check if the pan is hot.
Yes, the pan's hot.
You can pour some oil.
Okay, how much?
Just pour it in. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. So we are using olive oil. You can use either sunflower oil or coconut oil. Yes. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds.
Okay, this is half a teaspoon, so I'll do 2 spoons of this. 1, 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to splutter
Yeah.
all over, so take a lid and close it.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear the mustard spluttering.
Yeah. I'm very glad we put the lid on, or it would have gone everywhere. Tell me. Again.
Mustard has spluttered. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Yeah.
Lid back on.
So add the onions. Oh, yeah. Add the onions now.
Oops. Very well. Now just mix like that.
Yeah. Close the lid and leave it for a minute.
Okay.
I think it's cooking, yeah. So just saute it.
How long do we have to do this for?
It's almost done, but maybe another 2 minutes.
Okay. Should we close the lid again?
Yeah, close it again.
Okay, now.
Okay, so onion has been cooking for about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
It's done. Yeah, we need to actually put this into the pumpkin later.
Okay.
This is done, so we can switch it off. Okay, the pumpkin has been cooking for 4 whistles, so we can now check. Yeah, it's cooked. I need to mash the pumpkins. Yeah, mash them. And I need to pour the coconut milk. And I forgot to mention one ingredient, which is the turmeric powder. So I will add it in. I turn the stove back on. And this is again cooking well. I need to pour the coconut milk.
1 whole can?
1 whole can, yes. There's a lot of butternut squash, so 1 whole can. I forgot to mention turmeric powder, so we'll put about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And let it cook and boil for 5 minutes. The pumpkin has been cooking for 5 minutes and it's really boiled. And now we need to put the onions, fried onions, into this. And I need to put some lime as well. So let me squeeze the lime into this.
So just half a lime. Yeah?
Half a lime. And also check the salt. If it's less, you can add more salt. I actually added more salt. So I'm adding the onions. Okay. Give it a good mix.
It sounds like you're making some potion.
This is actually also a good soup. It's not just a curry.
Yeah.
You can also have it as a butternut squash soup. Would you like to taste some?
Sure. Okay, I'm going to try some. Very scared if it's too hot. Oh, it's actually really nice. Genuinely, it's really nice.
Okay, that's good.
Some on my nose too.
So yeah, it's been cooking for 5 minutes. It's time to plate. The butternut squash curry or soup is now ready. You can garnish it with coriander leaves or some mint leaves. Thank you for watching our video. We'll be back with another dish very soon. So till then, subscribe,
Like and share the video, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!